Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.1 question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? Let us solve this one. It is given that it is given that 72% of 25 students 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 are interested in mathematics are interested in mathematics interested in mathematics. Therefore, percentage of students therefore percentage of students percentage of students percentage of students percentage of students who are not interested in mathematics, who are not interested in mathematics not interested in mathematics is equal to 100 minus 72%, that is 100 minus 72%, 100 minus 72 is 8, 81 7 plus 8, 92, 28, that is 28%, 28%, right? Therefore, number of students, therefore number of students, therefore number of students, therefore number of students who are not interested in mathematics, who are not interested in mathematics, who are not interested in mathematics is equal to 28% of 28, 25, 28% of 25, that is equal to 28 by 100 into 25 into 25 divided by 25, 4 is 100 and 4 1 is 4, 4 7 is 28, 7, therefore that is equal to 7. And how many are not interested in mathematics? Thus you can say that 7 students are not interested in mathematics. And that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.